Hi, it's Kim from the Kim Rock Group, and I'm here outside of Pretty Bird Coffee Roasters in downtown Yardley Borough. They roast their own beans, and they have some amazing coffee specials, so let's go inside and take a look. Opening in 2017, the cafe was founded by the Cain family, a local restaurateur family who also founded Vault Brewing Company right across the street. Pretty Bird has a variety of offerings, from espresso, cold brew, and specialty coffees to pastries, breakfast, avocado toast, sandwiches, and salads. Their coffee is roasted just around the corner at the Tannery on West College Avenue. After the coffee shop closes, you can grab a bite to eat at Pretty Burger, their brand new sister restaurant, which opens in the same space in the evening time. You can visit Pretty Bird at 7 South Main Street daily from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m.